Hey guys, this video is being recorded to show you how to view your certification levels in ArbiterSports. We are currently going through our records and updating everything, making sure we have the correct certification for everyone. So if you could follow these directions and verify your certification level for us, that would help us out greatly. You're going to do this by going to arbitersports.com, going to log in the upper right. You're going to log in. Then you're going to go to HOA USAV and click on the sign in button. Then you're going to go to profile at the top. And then on the left, there will be a link that says custom fields. You're going to click on that. You're going to scroll down to HOA USAV. And then you're going to look at ref certification and scorer certification. So that is where we have recorded what we believe your referee and scorer certifications are. If these are not correct, please let us know so that we can get these correctly updated in Arbiter. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, thank you so much. Thank you for all that you do. We appreciate each and every one of you, and we hope to see you on a court soon.